Hi, good afternoon. Myself Achit Kumar. I am from Grade 8, Sri Krishna School. I am going to talk about my laser machine. A laser machine is a high precision tool that cuts in gas and marks using different materials in an instant laser beam. It works with the accuracy and it makes for perfect for the engraving designs. And it can be used in any industries for business purpose and DIY projects. The benefit of this project is that it's a customization and cost efficiency and easy to install and it can be easy for homemade. So the materials are Arduino Uno, CNC seal, Jyber, and limit switch, stepper motor, and laser module. The working principle of the laser machine is that when the image is sent to the software, the laser will makes into a G code, and the G code are sent to the Arduino Uno, and the Arduino Uno sent to the CNC seal for the parameter to the stepper motor, and how much power did the laser wants to use, and it starts to engrave. After engraving, it gives a signal to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller gives to the software that it is completed. Thank you.
Today I am going to explain about a model called hemodialysis. My name is M.Y. Dhanyasri. I am from 8th standard C section. I am going to explain how it is going to work. So this helps to clean our blood. It works as a second kidney. If any person who is having kidney failure can be used this. It is used 3 to 5 times between a week, and it controls our salt level and controls the BP. Thank you.
This is factory. From this only harmful gas goes to the chimney. In this chimney we have fan and with a powerful supply, and we have a carbon producer as this one. And this carbon will be going to the fan will push the carbon to this pipe, and it goes to the carbon absorber. Inside we have cotton which absorbs the carbon, and here this carbon absorber, the cotton is a good absorber of carbon, and it leaves a clean air.
And this is a new method of carbon purification, practice furnaces, which is used to break down crude oil into base chemicals, and it also consumes less energy and reduces carbon dioxide emissions. This is solar panel. It absorbs the solar energy and converts it into electrical energy and gives a power supply for this factory.
We have many techniques to control the carbon reduction, but we use cotton here for our working model. They use many techniques for real life industries. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Elikisha, and today I am going to explain about hemodialysis working model and heart working model. Hemodialysis is a treatment that uses the machine to filter excess and waste fluids from your blood. Person who have kidney failure may need hemodialysis, and hemodialysis controls the blood pressure, and it also manages some important nutrients like calcium, potassium, etc. So now I will explain you about the working of this model. So this is made of strings instead of a motor. So first the bloodstream. So the blood is extracted from the human body and it goes to a pump by using a blood pump. Then it goes to the heparin pump. This ensures that there is no clotting in the blood. Then it goes to the dialyzer inflow pressure monitor. It tells the pressure of the inflow of the blood into the dialyzer. Next, the dialyzer purifies the blood, and then the excess and waste fluids goes into the air trap detector, and then the purified blood goes into the human body again. This is like a cycle, and the reason for this hemodialysis process is that if a person have kidney failure, he may use this project. And then comes the human heart. So this is a working model, and this is a human heart which is located in the left side of the chest in the human body, and also it has 4 chambers, 2 atriums and 2 ventricles. 2 atriums will collect the blood from the vein, and the 2 ventricles will pump the blood out of the heart. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Abhinaya from 8th E section. Today I am in the project of plant cell. Plant cell, there are 10 major parts in plant cell: nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, vacuole, mitochondrion, ameloplast, Golgi apparatus, and cell wall. The cell wall is a main part and major part here because it is a strong and protective layer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Krishi from class 8 right now. I'm going to talk about electron transport. So in our cell, we have a thing called mitochondria. It is a sausage-shaped organelle. It is a cell's power station. So it carries energy and glucose and it transports it to the other parts of the body. So electron transport chain is a series of protein complexes. So complex 1, complex 2, complex here represents proteins here. So our cells are made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. The electrons travel in this chain and it loses its energy and become ADP. ADP stands for adenine diphosphate dinucleotide, and it becomes a proton and mixes with hydrogen ions and become ATP. ATP is called as adenine triphosphate, and this process is called as oxidase phosphorylation. And this involves electron donors. Electron donors are nothing but electrons will release one electron to perform cellular respiration, resulting in energy. So this project is used to demonstrate how glucose is turned into a form of energy called ATP. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yashaswini Reddy. We are from 8th standard K section. Our project is about smart city. Smart city uses technology to improve efficiency, sustainability and quality of life. Our project consists of smart dustbin, vertical vent and car parking system. Now we will be explaining you about the concepts involved in our project.
First is smart dustbin. So this, as we know, that as the population is growing, the waste generated is also increasing. So because of this, the dustbins are overflowing and most of us are not using the dustbin. So to prevent such land pollution, we have this dustbin. So it starts to beep when there is garbage around the dustbin and stops beeping when we put the garbage inside the dustbin.
Now I will be explaining about vertical wind. Vertical wind is used to generate electricity using wind energy.
The next is car parking system. So drivers face a lot of challenges to park their cars, especially in tight spaces. Also, this causes accidents since there are obstacles around their cars. So to prevent such accidents from occurring, we have automatic car parking system.
Thank you.